Hi everyone, my name is Kirsten Barrett and I am a second grade teacher in the Eastern Carver County School District at Victoria Elementary School. And I have been teaching second grade for 2 years now, and I also student taught in second grade. So my heart is, of course, in second grade. Unfortunately, due to district budget cuts, I will not have a position next year, so I will be on the job hunt this summer, as well as taking master's courses online, of course. A photo that represents me is, this is a picture of my boyfriend and I. We went to Banff, Canada a few summers back. But I chose this picture because I love nature, and one of my favorite hobbies is to go fishing. So I thought this was a good picture to show that I like to be outdoors and I like adventure. And then, what program? I am completing the elementary education master's program with an emphasis in STEM education. So I am halfway through the master's program. Anything else? Well, I love to fish. I love to go to my cabin. I love to be outside, and I love to spend time with family and friends.